So I took a trade on the pound Aussie, and this was actually based on my daily. And uh, as you can see, it was an uptrend, and then it broke out and came down. But on the daily, you can see clearly that it reached an SNR right around here, which is also why when it broke down, I decided to take a buy from here. Then around Asia, around Asia, I saw there was movement, and I got in around here, here after it kind of broke up, and it performed kinda, but again, I sat through all of it calmly, watching it, and same thing happened. I got spiked out. I got in too early. Um, I could have gone out if I, yeah. There's not much that I can say about this one. Mm, I was right about the trend. Trend is still up. The breakdown came with the news, I think, and I followed it calmly with the trend, and I based it on the daily, and it should get up to at least under there where I think it will come. Then again, around around the start of New York session, it spiked down and spiked me out. But I do believe I did get in a little bit too early here. It might have held, but um, I still had a little bit of doubt if it need to slow down more. But I think it's because I saw how this move went right the next day and just went straight up, which made me think, uh, same thing might happen. But yeah, it's a might, and uh, I believe it didn't slow enough. I watched how everything went, and I kind of hope that it would work the same way as what happened here. But yeah, I left too much to luck or whatever it could be called. Um, in the end, uh, it didn't pan out, uh, and I should have gotten out at certain points when I saw that the trade starting to go to the opposite side. There were many times that I could have gotten out, but I still tried to stick. I tried to stick to the plan, and every time I try to stick to the plan, it just backfires before going. So I think I'm trying to get my timing right. Mm, Sometimes it feels like I do get the timing right, but still it doesn't pan out. But I think I'm getting there. I'm trying to stick to the trend, that's one thing, and it does help. As you can see that it goes more in green than in red. uh, I look out for if it's in a trend, and I look at if there's volume, and every time if there's volume, that the trend, then it should uh, be a healthy trend, and that's how I kept it, and that's how I will keep doing it. And I'll also try doing what I've learned from the unicorn program, which I haven't done yet, but I'll get there. So, train of thought, I already said it was based on the daily. I got in the price because it looked on the daily, you could see it was right at the SNR. Maybe I should. I think my other problem is I put my stop loss too tight. Mm, Maybe it would have helped if I didn't put my stop loss so tight, probably. Um, did I could have gotten out, yes, but I want to try and follow the plan, which is why I didn't exit. Why I got stopped out. Yeah, I did those news. This was U.S. news. U.S. news spiked me out. And yeah, by the time when it I followed it, by the time it that I went to bed, I just got too tired, and it just turned too much already, and I didn't want to lose, so I just kept it as it was. And yeah, but that's a bummer.